Don't need to worry about alignment. Just put it on top, pull the dusty moving tape, swipe and peel. You can now swipe the edges, and as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides 28 degrees. Our hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and extremely durable. So you're going to be saving a lot of time and money. Perfect. So if you like our product, click on the yellow card below to purchase yours now.